Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out. $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter. Tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, everybody. Go ahead and leave me some bullish comments about what NFT projects you are following down in the comments below. If you stay tuned to the end of the video, I'm going to show you one of my personal favorite NFT projects that I'm bullish on, and we'll go to the Twitter page at the end of the video. Until then, we have NFT market will position to grow 35% into a 13.6 industry by 2027. I think it'll be a lot more than that. For the next 5 years, trends tied to the global NFT boom continue to factor in the growing involvement of mainstream influencers, gaming communities, and the rising demand for digital artworks. There's a lot of aspects to this, and I appreciate the shout out for influencers because I'm one of them, but there's a lot of aspects. Go check out the video on Algorand. I mean, the partnership with Algorand and FIFA, you already know non-fungible tokens are going to be very connected with anything to do with events, venues, and we think of FIFA, we think about the games, right? They got games and avatars that people can use during the game. So this is going to be huge. We're talking about shoes, soccer shoes, FIFA, football shoes design that can have NFTs tied to them. So this is huge. Merchandise that has maybe an NFT signed signature jersey or something like that. There's a lot of ways that we can go about this, but reflecting the growing interest in the non-fungible token NFT space among today's investors, new research predicts that the existing $3 billion market size will reach $13.6 billion by the end of 2027. For the next 5 years, the key factor tied to global NFT boom continue to factor in the growing involvement of mainstream influencers, gaming communities, and rising demand of the digital artworks. Interestingly enough, research firm MarketsandMarkets envisions several other factors that will contribute to the explosion growth of the NFT market, including its increasing use cases in supply chain management, retail, and fashion. Okay, we have some examples right there. We're going to continue. We got some of the other catalysts well positioned to further speed up the growth of the NFT market are metaverse initiatives by existing market leaders such as the social media giant Meta, aka Facebook, and the personalization of NFTs like the avatars that I'm talking about. Okay, in November 2021, Cointelegraph reported on the rising interest from Asia Pacific APAC investors as local NFT related Google searches surge in the region. MarketsandMarkets too cited this trend. All right, so check out their quote right there. One of the key factors attributes to the rise of NFT searches in the countries like Hong Kong, Singapore, and China is the lack of regulatory acceptance for crypto trading and mining. NFT marketplaces platforms that allow investors to purchase and sell NFTs are currently expected to contribute to the growth of the NFT ecosystem. While existing players like OpenSea now lead in the space, crypto exchanges like Coinbase and Binance have started offering similar services for exchanging NFTs in the open market. This is epic, and this is a bullish article for NFTs. I know the markets are not best right now, but when the markets are fearful, it is time to be greedy. If you guys want to learn more about technical analysis, I have my technical analysis course. I have my money bag alerts that can let you know when we're jumping in and out of projects and when the market's hot and when it's not. Okay, but now we're going to get to this treat that is at the end. And happy Mother's Day. And in the nature of that, I want to give a shout out to Women Unite. This is an amazing NFT project. 10% of all the funds go to help empowering women. So why not give this amazing project a shout out? If you're part of this community, go ahead and give a comment down below. Let people know, draw them to Women Unite. This is a project. I hold 2 NFTs of this project. I am very bullish on this project. One, we get to help contribute to, the uniting of women and, the empowering of women and moving forward with that. This is, the year of feminism, and we're going to come over here and like and retweet everything. Okay. This is the year of the feminism. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and push this, and we're going to like and retweet this. We're going to empower women. These are amazing photos, of course, amazing art. And if you guys want to see more about Women Unite, go ahead and leave some comments down below in the comments, and then we'll cover them a lot more. I'll show you what NFT I'm rocking with. I'll show you guys what's going on, and we'll stay step by step with Women Unite. This is a project that's not going nowhere. This is a project that has an amazing community. More than anything, the community has such a vibe that's so addicting, and I highly advise you guys come over here, tap in with them, join them in the spaces, let them know Crypto Rico said what's up. And if you guys can't do that, at the very least, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.